Welcome to another Function Friday. So, this Function Friday will be about the input function. Input. So, the way you use it is you put input and then two parentheses, like most functions. Then you can put in two quotes, single or double, then put a prompt inside, like, what is your name? Then it asks you, what is your name? I'm SK. Boom. Then it gives you MSK. Another thing to note is that automatically it sets your answer as a string. That's why there are quotes here. Same thing I have here. But you can change it to a number, like an integer. So if I do input and then quotes, I can give a number. But if you answer this, it'll give you a string. So you have to add the int over here, which makes it an integer, which is a number, whole number to be exact. So give a number, you can put in any number, like 9 maybe, and it says 9. Well, it doesn't have quotes, that means it's a number. That's nice. So you can set them to variables. You can do x equals int of input of give a number. Give a number. Boom. Then you can do maybe 7 now. Then you can do print x. It'll give 7 because that's what we inputted in. So, hope you like this episode of Function Friday and see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. Another thing is, by September of 2019, I wish to have 50 subscribers. So if you're watching this video, please help me out and subscribe. Bye!